So hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you are fine. So today I have received this gift from Colgate. I'm going to unbox it in front of you. So let's see what's there in the box. So this is the box that I have received from Colgate. As you can see here, Oral Health Movement Colgate. So let's see what's inside this box. It's a very good looking box, all red. So as you can see, we have so many toothpaste here. We have the Gentle Sensitive Toothbrush by Colgate. There are a lot of toothbrushes, more toothbrushes, as you can see here. It is written Gentle Sensitive Toothbrush, which is ultra soft. This is ultra soft toothbrush. I think Colgate has the best sensitive toothbrush so far, and we as a dentist do recommend this brand because it is the most trustable brand we have. And you can see here it's written ultra soft and rounded bristles. So whenever you have sensitive teeth, or whenever you want to buy the brushes, please go for soft or medium toothbrushes. Don't go for hard. As you can see, it is ultra soft, so you can go for this brush also. It's written ultra soft, gentle, sensitive. So we have these brushes. We have this Colgate Total toothpaste over here. As you can see, it is written sensitive also. So this is for sensitive teeth also. It is Colgate Total 12-hour protection. 12 means it gives you protection for 12 hours. And this is also Colgate Total. Oh wow, we have this Perio Guard also. If you are a dentist and watching this video, I think you must be knowing the mouthwash Perio Guard, which is the best I think so far any brand could have. It is best for your periodontium or gums, and they have now introduced this PerioGuard toothpaste also. You can see it is written here. It helps fight gum problem. So it is best for gums. If you have any gum problem, if you're not a dentist and watching this video, you can have. If you have any gum problem, please see a dentist. And if you cannot go by any means to a dental surgeon, you are traveling and you are having pain or any infection in your gums, please buy this PerioGuard. कहीं से भी you can have it and you can start brushing with this paste. But always, and I recommend always and always, go to dentist every 6 months and get yourself checked, because there is no other alternative for your teeth. This is also PerioGuard. This is Colgate Total. More paste. More PerioGuard. PerioGuard for gums, it's the best. They have this mouthwash also. Now they have introduced this toothpaste or gum paste. This is the okay. This is the poster that they have sent us. Good oral health practices. So yeah, we can put it in our clinic. We have so many. They have given us this certificate also. This certificate is awarded for participating in the free dental checkup program as part of the oral health movement. And this is just a letter and which is showing that this kit has one poster, one certificate and Colgate samples, that is 36 units. We have also got one big banner with this. I will show you that also in some time. But this is the box that we have got from Colgate, and it's a very good looking box, very pretty, very nice. So I hope you, if you are a dentist and if you have not got this box, please let me know in the comment section. I'll let you know how to get this box if you are a dental surgeon. So there are few steps that you have to do to get this box from Colgate. So please let me know and I'll help you out. Don't worry, please do comment, do reach out to me. I will help you to get this box. And if you are not a dentist and you are looking for a dentist, please go to your near dentist and get yourself checked if you have any teeth problem or any gum problem. Thank you. Thanks a lot.